Hi, everybody. Let's do a couple of gradient problems. I just took two real simple ones to make sure you get the hang of this. Now, remember the formula for gradient is change in field value. And that could be anything from elevation to pressure to temperature to whatever variable they're showing on the map. And you take the change in the field value and you divide that by your distance. So in this case, we're talking about elevation. So number one, while out for a walk, you start out at an elevation of 500 feet. At the end of the walk, your elevation is 2,000 feet. Your walk was a distance of 2 miles. What was the gradient of the hill on your walk? So change in field value, the change in elevation here, we're going to take our larger number, 2,000 feet, subtract our smaller number where we started, 500 feet, and divide that by 2 miles. Okay? This brings us to 1,500 feet divided by 2 miles. Let's make sure I don't make any silly mistakes. We get 750 feet per mile. And that's our gradient. Let's try this one. A surveyor is taking measurements of a mountain for a possible housing development. She is at an elevation of 300 feet. Here's her starting elevation. The elevation at the top of the mountain is 3,500 feet. The distance from the bottom of the mountain to the top of the mountain is 5 miles. What is the gradient of the mountain? So let's take our larger value, 3,500 feet. Subtract 300 feet. And divide that by 5 miles. That gives us 3,200 feet divided by 5 miles. And our answer is 640 feet per mile. And that's how you answer it.